Hey everybody, today Lisa and I, we're on the Carnival Horizon. We are on deck 11, and deck 11 is sort of a mixed deck, meaning there's cabins up in the front and public spaces back here in the back. As you can see, that is right where we are here at the very, very back of the ship. But before we go outside, over here is where the Asian kitchen and Cucina del Capitano is. We're going to show you. On the right is Cucina. On the left is the Asian kitchen. Now for lunchtime, and Lisa's going to confirm this for us, but lunchtime, I believe, is free if you want to come in here for lunch. But dinner time, there's a fee associated with the Italian restaurant here. But Lisa's going to confirm that for us. So there's the inside of your Cucina del Capitano. We'll go across and look at the Asian kitchen. This is the Asian kitchen. So lunchtime complimentary, dinner $24. We're going to head outside and show you around the outside of deck 11. So up here, as you can see, we're overlooking the Tides pool area here at the back. This is another area for the smokers up here. This whole area back here, right from there to there. So if you're a smoker, this is a place you would want to potentially come. You do have some nice chairs in that area back there. Now the rest of this area here is just regular loungers. Let's see where this leads. I wonder if it goes back to the realm. It's locked. I was thinking it might be a bathroom, but I wasn't sure. These are like a foam thing on here, so if you run into the pole, you're not going to hurt yourself. Behind here is your Camp Ocean playground. It's for the little ones. Shower. There's a ladies' room, accessible restroom. You just hit that button right there and the door will automatically open. Here is another smoking area here on deck 11. I love that this area is fully covered. Obviously you see some sun sneaking in there, but most of the area is covered. So even if the weather's nasty, you could sit out here if you wanted to. Same thing back here. You have all these cool little seating areas tucked back here, like little love seats. And they're fully covered. Overlooking the party, right? Because it's where a lot of the party happens, up here on the pool deck. I want to make sure that I point out this door for you. I didn't want you to think I skipped something. Behind this door is nothing but cabins. As you can see, all the cabin doors. So if you're staying in these cabins and you have accessibility issues, there are steps. So you can't get out here. from the cabins. Technically, you would have to go down, go to the midship elevators and come back up. Because right here on this side and that side, both of them have stairs. So Lisa just made it back and she said cucina is complimentary at lunch, $24 for dinner. Now we are by the midship elevators, and inside here there's some other things. So we're just going to take a quick little detour. And the things that are in here, the clubhouse at Sports Square, it's up there. But in here is Camp Ocean. So if you have little ones, 2 to 5, 6 to 8, and 9 to 11, this is where you would come. There's kids in there. All right, so we can't go in. So they also have this dedicated area up here called Dr. Seuss Bookville. So they do readings up here with Dr. Seuss and Thing 1 and 2. And so it's real nice. So if you have kids, the area up here is amazing for them. But because there's kiddos in there already, we're not going to go in. But just know it's from Deck 11, midship elevators is how you get here. And just so we don't miss this, we're going to go take a detour up here just real fast and make sure we don't miss it. Okay, so we can get there from outside. So I just wanted to make sure that wasn't a space that was only accessible from Deck 11. You can get there from Deck 12. So we'll look at that when we do the actual Deck 12. Back where we left off. Men's room. Remember on the other side was the ladies' room and the accessible restroom. See, there's a nice play area in there for the kiddos as part of the Camp Ocean area. And here we are now at the other side, at the back of the ship. So we have now gone 360 degrees here on Deck 11 on the Carnival Horizon. And leave a comment below and let us know what your favorite area of Deck 11 is. Until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe. Ciao!